Charles, that's not how real life works. Get back in the kitchen and cook for real. Do you hate how much time it takes to go to the store, grocery shop, search around for ingredients, buy too many ingredients for what you want, they go bad, you make too much, you look up recipes, they're too complicated. That's why Charlie and me pick HelloFresh. You follow the instructions and you got yourself a beautiful meal for 1 or 2 people. You waste less food, there's less ingredients, everything is measured out to be perfect. And HelloFresh is also very flexible. You can pick out meals that fit all your dietary needs, and maybe you want a little bit less of something and a little more of something else. And did I mention the food is delicious? Charles, show them how delicious the food is.